Hello, this is Lee with Lord's Chimney. Today I'm going to talk about gas logs, and there are a few types of gas logs. One of the types of gas logs I'll start off with is ventless gas logs, or vent-free. These are logs that do not have a chimney associated with them, or the damper is shut while the gas logs are running. This makes all the products of combustion, all the creosote, that comes back into the room. Now, it's designed to burn so efficiently that that does not happen, which means it's really, really picky in what goes on. Now, the City of Houston no longer issues permits for vent-free fireplaces indoors. Now, outdoors is a different deal because there's enough oxygen. The second type is vented gas logs. This is a type of gas logs where you have a functioning wood-burning fireplace. They're more attractive. They also burn very dirty. You'll see it's not blue flames, it's red and yellow, and the gas logs are going to get dirty. These are the most attractive gas logs, and the high-end ones have lifetime warranties. Some of the ones you buy at Home Depot, some of the cheaper ones really don't, and they don't look as realistic. One of the things that pops up on home inspections all the time is anytime you have those vented gas logs, you're supposed to have a clamp on the damper that causes it to stay a little bit open. Another type of gas logs is outdoor gas logs. Everything should be stainless. You do not want to have any rust, anything else. So stainless logs go outside. The actual logs aren't stainless, but the burner is. Another thing that you can get, and this is an option for gas logs that's very, very popular for our company, is remote controls, where you click a button and it comes on. It's very convenient. You can turn it off and on. One of the main benefits of gas logs are they're convenient. They look nice year round. The actual gas logs look nice inside the fireplace, but you can turn them on, and 15 minutes later, when you want to go out to eat or someone comes over, you can turn them off. With wood, that's not an option. So gas logs are very, very popular in our area, and if you have any questions, give us a call. I'd be happy to take care of it. Thank you.